Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we learn what is REPL. In Node.js, REPL stands for Read-Eval-Print Loop. It is an interactive programming environment that allows you to execute JavaScript and Node.js code and see the results immediately. Think of it as a command line interface for running JavaScript code and Node.js, similar to a terminal or shell. Let's start code. I have opened my command line, and here I write Node and press enter. It starts the Node.js REPL, and you can type JavaScript and Node.js code directly into it. Each line of code you enter is read, evaluated, and the result is printed back to you. Here, I write 5 plus 5 and press enter. You can see I get in result 10. Next, I create a variable x and y, x contain 10 value, and y contain 20 value. Then, I plus x and y variable and press enter. In a result you can see I get 30. In REPL you can also use a function. I create a sum function and in the body of function I use console.log method. Here, you can see I press enter and it show 3 dots, that mean our code are not finished. Next I use console.log method. Here, you can see the power of REPL, it's understand our code or not finish, now close you function. Next, call some function and see the output. So, you can see I get properly output. Next, you can also use REPL into editor mode. Here, I write .editor and press enter. Now, we are entering in the editor mode. Here I create another function and you can see it work like in real editor. When your code finished, then press CTRL plus D. Next, call your function. You can see our function properly work. I use .help and press enter, and here you can see different command which you can use in REPL. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.